Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best Halloween candy available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 4 we have Hershey Halloween Candy. This stock up your Halloween candy bowl comes with an assortment of snack-sized sweets for every trick-or-treater to enjoy. At number 3 we have Hershey Halloween Candy. It contains one 35.9-ounce party pack of Hershey's miniatures in an assortment featuring Hershey's milk chocolate. This fills snack drawers, candy dishes and lunch boxes, comes with variety chocolate candy sure to sweeten any season. At number 2 we have Kit Kat, which is Halloween candy. This fills snack drawers, candy dishes and lunch boxes, comes with variety chocolate candy sure to sweeten any season. At number 1 we have Mars Halloween Candy. This assorted mix features fun-sized M&M's, Snickers, Milky Way and Skittles candies. You can fill up your Halloween candy bowl with fun-sized candies for handing out to trick-or-treaters. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best Halloween candy for your need.